Stop before you watch this video. My Latinas. How are my pupusas? Ooh, this is hot. Ready? Pupusas. Like? Pupusas, 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 hey. Pupusas, 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 hey. Pupusas, what? What are pupusas? Pupusas are basically, it's not an empanada. It's like, you know how empanada, yeah, you know how empanadas are. It's not flaky as an empanada, but it's like, here's a picture. It's hard to explain it. But mine's gonna come with refried beans and cheese. I don't want the cordito, that's actually on top of my shit. I'm not making the cordito because the nigga don't like vegetables. Grab a pot, pour water in it, throw the beans inside. Half the bag of beans. So I got these 1 pound bag of beans. I'm putting half of them. Right? This is gonna give us about 3 or 4. I'm looking for 3 or 4 pupusas. Yeah, put your beans inside the water. We're gonna season the water. The reason why we season the water because the way the beans cook, they soak up the water. We don't want bland ass beans. Nigga, the fuck talking about? We want that and the beans. This is that Basically what this was is, let me say this right. Callo de pollo. Callo de pollo. Let me know if I said that right, but it's chicken bouillon. So imagine, if you know what chicken stock is, imagine chicken stock danced up in a little cube. That's basically what it is. I don't know the exact ingredients, but that's what I imagine, right? So we got only 1 cube of these. If you can, crunch it up and then drop it in the water. Okay, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cumin, tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of allspice, and that's it. All right, I'm gonna need you to listen to me, right? This is very important information. For our beans, we're gonna put the pan on top of the stove. We're gonna have it boil. We're gonna boil this for 2 hours, right? This video is gonna be 2 hours too.
Cap.
Important information is, I'm gonna need you, if you're cooking with me, like how I'm cooking right now, you cooking with me, right? I see you cooking with me, you're not? Man, these beans, we're gonna check on these beans every 30 minutes or so. If you think the water is low, go to the beans and check on them. Like, don't have burnt beans, bro. Check on them. I recommend you having boiling water on the side. The reason being is because if the water from the beans get low, you won't stop the cooking process with just putting filling the pan up with the sink water. You know what I'm saying? Right? Have boiling water on the side so it keeps the beans cooking instead of slows down the process. What you do for those 2 hours is up to you. Nigga gonna go watch TV. Stop pushing, Jay. Hold on. Let me see something. Oh! You haven't seen the fight? Nah, you making food? So you're just not gonna answer my question? Man, f your question.
No!
So after your beans are done cooking, grab a pan, a regular pan, add oil to this. Yeah, a tablespoon of oil, right? Once the oil gets hot, add the beans into it with a little bit of liquid and start smashing. Smash it with anything you want. Just smash it until it gets to a smooth paste. I got this Oaxaca authentic Mexican style string cheese. We're just shredding this. About half of it or all of it if you need it. Just depending on, you know what I'm trying to say. I'm doing half. Now for the pupusas themselves. Corn masa right here. Add salt, a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of allspice, right? We're gonna add water to this. I'm not giving you the measurements of the water because we need to add it in intervals. So grab water, lukewarm water, slowly pour it onto the corn masa and mix. We want this texture of the dough. This is what we're looking for, right? Start kneading your dough for a good 5 to 10 minutes and we're gonna rip off, I wanna say baseball, but like a nice round circle, right? We want a thick circle. Start flattening it with your hands. Don't press too hard, we're just clapping as we go. Once we get to the desired thinness we want, you're gonna add the refried beans and we're gonna add the cheese. Excuse me. Close it up, roll it back into the circle that we want, right? A smooth circle. Grab oil, dip your hands in it, right? Rub your hands together, start clapping the pupusa. When we clap it, spin it with one hand, right? So clap, spin, clap, spin, clap, spin, and do this until you get a flat pupusa. But we're gonna stop every time we see a crack forming on our dough. That's what the oil is for. Just rub the creases of the cracks, right? Smooth it out. Clap it, clap, clap, spin, 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 do whatever. Rub the oil between our fingers, smooth the cracks out. Keep on doing this until you got this size of your pupusas. Yeah, get like me. Once the pupusas is formed, grab a pan, regular oil, heat it up on medium heat, right? Grab your pupusa, toast one side till it gets color, flip, toast the other side. That is it. Pupusas, pupusas, pupusas. Hey, hey. Let's try this out real quick. I gotta squeeze my lime on this joint. Hold on. Break it up.